Salem History Press or Salem Press History and Health also allows you to download articles directly to your Google Drive. It's a little bit, there's an extra step in with Gale, but you can do it. So I have this article open. This is a primary source document in this particular database, an open letter. So over on the left, I have the, of course, article citation tool. So if I just need the citation, I can click on that. I can save it. Oops, I'm not going to save it to my Google Drive. What I can do is copy it and Control C, copy, and paste it into my works cited list is what I would do with the citation. If I want to download the whole article, I can click Save. And again, it's going to ask me to sign into my Google Drive. I got a pop-up window here. I'm not sure if that shows up in the recording, but it asks me, do you want to save it to your Google Drive? And here's my button. There it is. Save. So now it's saving it to my Google Drive. Notice here it tells me what it's saving it as, this item, and I can open it in my drive, and hopefully it'll bring me right to that particular article. Okay, it does not. So I'm going to have to look it up, and I noticed that it said it was saved as DDS something. But I'm going to search in my Google Drive for something from the title and hope it shows up. So what Salem does not do, it does not create that folder like Gale does. Gale will create a folder and everything will be in that folder from that particular database, whichever database you're using. This one does not do that, so you kind of have to hunt for it. If you're like me and have a Google Drive that is overly full, to do that, and I actually saved this twice, so I have the article in here twice, you can see earlier and just now. So when I open that, I can see the whole thing as a PDF. And it has the entire article. Spacing is not as neat as on the web, but I can still read it and have availability of it offline or off campus without logging to the database. And it has my citations right there also. So I have that PDF in my Google Drive. And of course I can move it to a folder and rename it to something that's easier to find if I need to.